Creating AdCreative AI templates is easier than you might think. And in this video, I'll show you how to quickly get started with it. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or a beginner, learning to leverage AI for your ad creatives can save you valuable time and boost your ad performance. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive offer to get a free trial of AdCreative AI, which you definitely don't want to miss. First, let's talk about what AdCreative AI is and why it's so powerful. Essentially, AdCreative AI uses machine learning to automatically generate high-performing ad creatives that are tailored to your campaign goals. The best part? It takes into account everything from your target audience to past ad performance, making sure the creatives are optimized for maximum engagement and conversions. Now, when you log into AdCreative AI, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that's designed to be user-friendly. You'll see options to create new templates, choose from pre-existing templates, and integrate data from your ad platforms like Facebook and Google Ads. This is where the magic happens, creating your own templates. To get started with creating AdCreative AI templates, you'll want to click on Create New Template. From here, the software will prompt you to choose the type of ad you want to generate. It can be a Facebook ad, a Google ad, an Instagram ad, or even more custom ad types depending on your needs. Once you've selected your platform, the real customization begins. AdCreative AI allows you to input specifics like your brand colors, logos, and messaging. Or you can let the AI work its magic and generate these automatically based on your past ad data. The more information you give the AI, the more tailored your templates will be. It even takes into account copywriting styles that resonate best with your audience, so you don't have to be a copywriting expert to create high-converting ads. One of the coolest features of AdCreative AI is the ability to test multiple variations of your ad templates at once. Instead of spending hours A/B testing different creatives, AdCreative AI automates this process, running various versions of your ad to see which performs the best. This means you're not just guessing what works, you're getting data-driven insights that improve the effectiveness of your campaigns. If you're looking for a quick way to create high-quality ad creatives that get results, AdCreative AI templates are a game changer. The software optimizes every aspect of your ad creative, from the visual elements to the copy, ensuring your ads stand out and convert better than ever. The beauty of AdCreative AI templates is that they're adaptable. Once your initial template is created, you can tweak it, update the copy, or even swap in new images at any time, all in a few clicks. But here's the best part. You can try out AdCreative AI for free using the exclusive link in the description below. This isn't just any free trial. It's an extended version that gives you full access to all the features for a limited time. This means you can experiment with creating templates and see firsthand how much time and money you can save while improving your ad performance. So, to recap, AdCreative AI allows you to create optimized ad templates quickly and easily, taking the guesswork out of your ad campaigns. By using AI to automate your ad creation, you can focus on scaling your business rather than getting bogged down in the details of creative design. If you're looking to streamline your ad strategy and get better results, give AdCreative AI a try. Don't forget to click the link below to grab your exclusive extended free trial and start creating AdCreative AI templates today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.